Okay, guys, we have made it to the end of our new content. So this week we embark on session 15, which is the topic of religion. This is the final topic that we will cover in our course this semester. We will wrap up next week with the writing analysis for Unit 3. So you will read the religion chapter in your textbook, which is chapter 18. That's quizzes 18.1 through 18.9, and then you will complete that chapter 18 quiz. And once you have done the quizzes in Revel, you are going to move into the journal assignment. We're focusing on the role of religion for this journal assignment. You will watch your final crash course in sociology video for your journal this week. And then you're going to answer 2 specific questions. And remember, when there is only 2 questions here, we need to make sure that we are absolutely completing these journals in paragraph form. So a paragraph response for both of these questions. So first, after you're watching that video, how would you explain the role of religion in society to somebody else? So just a little hint here, think about the functions that religion performs for people within the society. That will kind of help you think about that. If you will move on to the second question with me here. So I want you to reflect on your thoughts of whether or not religion improves society by bringing about a social cohesiveness. So we know by years and years of review of societies that religions do tend to increase social cohesiveness. But I want to know your opinion. Do you feel like religion improves society by the level of social cohesiveness it displays? And this is strictly your opinion, dependent upon what you know about religion or what types of religion you have experience with. You may feel differently about this. So I want to stress that this is strictly your opinion. You just need to explain to me why you feel the way you do and give me some examples. So this one is not a right or wrong. This is just strictly your opinion. Just make sure you argue that opinion with enough content and examples. All right, once you are done with those 2 paragraphs, you are going to submit that journal entry, and then you will be finished with all of the content learning, and you can gear up for finishing the course next week with the Unit 3 writing analysis. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to reach out to me via email as quickly as possible, and I will be waiting to help.